To project your retirement income, click on the Lifetime Income tab. Start by adding a few details about yourself, such as your birthday and your annual salary. You can include any retirement savings accounts you've aggregated to the system, or include your retirement income, which you can calculate using this tool. The tool will use the information that you have entered to give you a projected lifetime income. The retirement calculator uses the Monte Carlo simulation, which includes risk and other unknown variables that are factored into your projections. There are 4 assumptions that you can edit that go into these projections: your monthly contribute, withdrawal period, retirement age, and annual salary. You can add a specific retirement date if you know that information, or switch between a monthly contribute percent versus $1.